Kumusta uli mga ka-rhythm dyan? At ito ay may re-react na naman akong kantang kinover ng ating paboritong bandang France Rhythm. At ang kakantahin nila ay Every Breath You Take by the Police. Female version daw for female cover by France Rhythm Family Band. At siguradong, siyempre, France Rhythm yan. Kahit female version nung kanta, pero alam mo naman, pag kumanta sila, gayang-gayang original. Okay po. Galing na yun. Kuha. Galing mo, Chen. Galing mo. Kuha.
Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day, every word you say,
ang galing ni Chen talaga.
every games you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you. Oh, can't you see you belong to me? I'm a poor heart ache, but every step you take, every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you. Since you've gone, I've been lost without a trace. I dream at night, I can only see your face. I look around, but it's you I can't replace. I feel so cold and I long for your embrace. I keep crying, baby, baby, please.
Nox, kuha ni Char talaga. Kuha ni Char talaga. Etong bandang to, hindi lang yung boses nila maganda eh. Pati yung mga yung instrumento. Si Daddy walang supply sa bass talaga. Magaling si Daddy sa bass. Magaling ni Chen talaga. Magaling si Chen sa gitara.
Can't you see you belong to me? I'm a poor heart ache, but every step you take, every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you. Every move you make, every step you take, I'll be watching you. I'll be watching every breath you take, every move you make, every wall you break. I'll be watching every single day, every word you say, every game you play. I'll be watching every move you make, every wall you break, every song you break. I'll be watching every breath you take, every move you make, every wall you break. I'll be watching every single day, every word you say, every game you play. I'll be watching you.
Galing lahat.
Thank you so much.
Magaling si Char, magaling si Chen, magaling si Daddy, magaling si Dodge. Galing lahat. Saan ka pa? Pag na kayo lumihis pa sa France Rhythm na. At saka pag nanood kayo ng France Rhythm, idamay mo na rin yung channel ko. Ang pagkakaiba lang dito, si Sting, Siya ang bass guitarist ng The Police. Siya ang kumanta rin nito. Siya ang vocals. Siya ang vocalist din ng The Police. Pagkakataon na to, si Daddy, pinaubayan niya kay Char ang vocals, which is kuhang-kuha din naman. Franz rhythm yan eh. Pag nangopya, talagang kundi man minsan lumalampas sa original, malapit sa original, lumalampas pa. Okay po, yung mga hindi nakapag-subscribe pa, subscribe naman kayo sa channel ko. At marami pong salamat sa panonood nyo. Hanggang dito na lang po. Bye-bye muna.